had to drive into town today, so I figured I could double up, be extra productive, and try out some more professional grocery shopping with Instacart, where I shop for people and bring it to their house. I love getting booked into prison. All right, picture this. It's Wednesday afternoon, it's raining. You're tired, you're going home from work, but you need groceries. So my hope is that you are currently placing your Instacart order at 3:30 p.m. so that your groceries meet you at your house. This is my second Instacart video. You can check out the other one if you desire. It went really badly. I'm terrible at shopping. I don't know where anything is. It took forever to get batches. The worst part probably is stores don't always have stuff. It's like your mom sending you out to the store, but a stranger. But it's worse because you can't even sneak stuff into the cart on her credit card. And it looks to be a little crowded, I guess because people are getting off work who are not too lazy to pick up their own groceries. And now we wait while we enjoy some eye candy. Shop and deliver from Publix, 3 items. And someone else took it. I thought it was gonna go up in price. Someone took that? We should have let the price go up. I mean, this is the free market at work. This is what I actually like about it is oh, I'll take this actually. 23 miles, I don't mind driving. Ooh, that's actually a good place to go to. $1 a mile, but let's do it. Okay, this is going so much better than last time already. The map is working. I already found the cheesecake. Calzones. Oh, all right. Wait, if this goes smoothly, this might be kind of fun. I still don't like shopping, but that's partially because it's my money being drained, but maybe the problem is I wasn't getting paid for it. Excuse me, do you know where the calzones are?
Yeah, they're right around the other side of this one.
Okay, so I've been told by those of you that work at grocery stores, you hate when Instacart shoppers ask where everything is. But hey, I'm trying to do my thing too. Pepperoni and cheese. Oh, I found it. Oh yeah. They're out of the other cows. Wait. Spinach and risotto. Oh, wait. Okay, one more. Spinach and ricotta, which they don't have. Can't find item. Backup choice. Oh, they have a backup. Boom. 3 items to pick up. Dude, I am speeding through this. All right, you've got to watch the last video if you didn't see it to compare. Because right now I am an Instacart god. We just have 3 items to go. Okay, so we just... All right. Aisle 1B is right here. It's on the left, which will be my right, I guess. Cheese and pepperoni finger food product. Let me look at the picture. Honestly, everything they're ordering is really gross to me. Cheese and pepperoni, pizza logs. Where are pizza logs? All right, we've got a little bump in the road, but that's okay. I'm sure it's here. I've never shopped this aisle. Pizza log. Oh, there they are. Sometimes you just have to look with a new perspective. Boom. Next up, soda. Aisle 10A. Okay, I'm kind of lost. Oh, I was looking at the map upside down. It's supposed to be this way. I don't know. Main entrance. Oh, I was looking at it sideways. It's only been 9 minutes so far, and we're almost done shopping. And then we zip down to like Holly Springs, and Holly Springs should have some good stores. 10A straight ahead. Okay, Wegmans brand W Pop. What is that? Wegman. All right, I'm sure they aren't out of stock of a Wegmans brand. Wegmans W Pop. Right, shelf 1. Well, that's not right. 11A. Who wants this anyway? Diet Wegmans ginger ale. Oh, here it is. Okay, just one more item. It's like, oh wait, is this it? Oh, this is it.
Really, I ain't gonna go crazy with it.
No, it's all together. I just wanted to push it out. Got a code.
Soda's 53.44.
Okay. I appreciate it. Look at that. And I've got 2 hours to deliver it. How am I making $23 from this? The order came out to $53.44. How is 23 going to me? I'm not complaining, but the question is, how long is it going to take to get to them? I mean, yeah, they're... Whoa, hold up. Why is it 50 minutes? Wait, I don't understand. An hour away? Why? There's closer Wegmans. Why is it having me come from Raleigh? Okay. See you in an hour, basically. Rush hour. Yeah, I knew this would happen. My hope is that there will be more deliveries now that people come home, and maybe the payment will be higher. It's like, I would kind of prefer sitting in traffic than shopping, so is this really so bad if I'm paid for it? And we're here. Now, on the way here, hear me out, okay? I accepted an offer for $15 for 44 items. My thinking is, oh, here it is. I couldn't find the right building. The traffic is so bad that I don't want to have to drive much. Like, it would be better for me to spend time in a grocery store until the traffic dies down. In fact, right as I accepted it, I came around the corner and there was an accident. It was completely blocking the road. So basically, I'm stuck in this part of town, so I might as well just spend it in Harris Teeter, which I didn't know is a more local place. Like, not everyone watching has Harris Teeter. I thought it was as common as Target, but yeah. We'll get to do a Harris Teeter tour together, and we're here. Okay, building, first entrance, second floor, door to the right. Boom. Man, what a weird order though. Wait, he just came out, so I can't talk. We'll talk in the car. I mean, you saw what the stuff was, and that was over $50 for all that, which is, I would not pay that. And then store brand soda. And then an hour away, that's so weird. Come on, is Wegmans cheesecake really that good, or whatever it was, chocolate cake? All right, now we're going to navigate to Harris Teeter, less than a mile away, but I'm hyped up just because it went so well the first time, like the first pickup. I'm already losing my confidence because there's a lot of produce on here. Oh God, there's so much stuff. This is a lot, man. All right, easy mode is over. We're going hard mode now. And I'm gonna have to like, cause there's raw meat. Apparently you're not supposed to put raw meat with like other stuff in a bag. I don't know. Oh, my shopping cart's broken. That's not a good start. All right, let's start with produce. Mangoes. I don't know what mangoes look like. Are these mangoes? I don't know how to pick out a jalapeno. Wait, should it be lighter or darker, I wonder? Maybe this one? I honestly have no idea. Do I have to separate the fruit? Sometimes I just throw it all in one bag and just pick a fruit on the self-checkout thing. This is gonna take forever. Okay. Mango. Oh, I think I see mangoes. Bananas. What? Melon. Peach. I'm learning all my fruits. Is this not a mango? Wait, this looks exactly like this. This has to be a mango. I think it's just in the wrong spot. Oh, is this ripe? I have no idea. Oh, should it be red? Okay, this one's squishy. Hard, really hard. I think I'm gonna make it look like the picture. I think this. Oh, I am so not qualified to be picking out fruit right now. I'll get a big one for them. Maybe this one? I have no idea. Whole pineapple. They're right here. We've got yellowish, we've got greenish. Is that mold? No. Disney branded pineapple. I don't know, this looks fine, I guess. If you ever wondered if they do a good job screening Instacart drivers, no, they don't. They have me picking out fresh fruit. I have like a whole fruit playlist, and I'll link them in the description if you want to see all my fruit related videos. I don't know if that needs to be in a bag, probably not. Okay, romaine lettuce. Kroger brand, I'm not at Kroger. This bag is dirty. Oh, okay, I guess this one. This all looks gross. Incorrect item. I had to replace that with a different one. 6-ounce raspberry. These look good. Barcode not found. I mean, these are the only raspberries. Skip scanning? Man, if this is one of you, I'm sorry, I'm trying. Strawberries, 32 ounce. These are 16 ounce. These are literally moldy. Why is Harris Teeter selling moldy strawberries? Man, Harris Teeter sucks. Why does my mom come here? They don't have any good produce. They're like out of everything, and these are not the right blueberries. They're too many. They're more expensive too. Barcode not found. Am I at the right restaurant, at the right grocery store? I'm so confused. All right, we're done with produce. Almost everything I had to do a replacement for, but he approved all of them, or she, I don't know. We'll go to raw meat, I guess. 1.01 pounds. Okay, we'll put meat back here. Oh, sausage, I forgot sausage. I knew I didn't overlook it. It's in a different section, like a totally different section. And unfortunately, it does not tell me the aisles of anything, and this is all over the place. We've got flatbreads, breakfast, snacks. Dips and spreads, prepared meals, deli meats, cheese, creams, yogurt, infused water, sparkling water, frozen breakfast. Oh my god, there's so much more. I'm not even... Frozen dessert, frozen bread. Oh, we're gonna be here all day. Incorrect. What? Oh. What? Shredded. 2% milk. Finally. American cheese singles. I thought cheese would be easy. There's too many different ones. I never look. I just grab whatever says cheese. I'm glad I'm not colorblind. This would be impossible. All right, and with this LaCroix, we are halfway done, which is really sad. I tried to start with the harder stuff so that it's faster, but man, saved me. And there's one in review, so I'm actually over halfway done if they confirm it. They didn't have fat-free something, so they get 1% whatever. They better confirm it. I'm so sick of being in here. I still have 18 left. I've made so little progress. I can't find fruit roll-ups. I can't find multigrain muffins. I'm in the breakfast section. I don't even know what flatbread is. I need some dips. I don't know where to find that. I've checked snacks. I don't know. And I'm getting really hungry. I honestly wish I could just cancel this and just go home. 17 to go. I'm so tired. Finally. 8 to go. I still don't know what flatbread is. Six to go. I want to die. This will be an Instacart order. I'm good. Got 2. Taking that batch was the worst mistake of my entire life, and I never want to do it again. What a difference from the first one. Ugh. And one of the infinite reasons I hate shopping is I always get approached in the store. Half the time it's great because it's one of you coming to say hi, or it's a person asking for money or for me to buy them groceries. I'm sure many of you have experienced this with your cars. They stake out the parking lot, they wait until what looks to be a wealthier car pulls up, and then they start begging you for money or to buy them groceries because they're starving and their children are starving, and they bring their children with them and their children start crying in front of you and you have to stand there. This time it was different. It was just a guy by himself. On top of how frustrated I already was wasting all this time because I couldn't find items, and then this guy starts asking me for money. The best part, they ask you and then they leave the store. They just go back out and wait for another car that looks nicer than others to pull up. And I used to fall for it. I used to give people money and buy them stuff, and then they started stealing stuff, and then they started spending it on alcohol. And anyway, I got so frustrated I ended up just marking the last items as I can't find them. I just didn't feel like looking. I asked 3 employees for help. I felt kind of bad, but I had to do what had to be done. And even with their direction, I couldn't find the items because I am that just impossible at shopping. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten in I don't know how long. All day. I guess I haven't eaten today. It's 7 p.m. So I think I'm gonna get some food here, which yes, I'm spending my earnings on eating out, but I don't think I can get back with how tired I am. Now, a viewer actually knew the customer in my last Instacart video, so I hope this is one of you that I'm delivering to, so that I can personally tell you in this video that I hate you because you have the worst order on the planet and I never want to shop for you again, and you have bad taste in food and you should go pick it up yourself, and you just spent $173 on some of the lowest quality frozen breakfasts I have ever seen. Is that too much? And I only get $15 of it. Meanwhile, the other one was only $50 and I get $20. I don't feel like going in that way. Stupid one-ways, trying to control my life. Oh, I forgot to ring the doorbell. I got another Harris Teeter offer, $9 for 10 items. So Harris Teeter does not tell you what aisle things are in or have a store map, which I didn't realize. So I don't think I'm ever doing a Harris Teeter again. If that's $11 an hour. I just spent all of my last batch on Cookout. Don't get me wrong, this is well spent, but still, I'm tired. Spent my whole day in Cookout and Harris Teeter. That's the most North Carolinian day I've ever had.